In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a contact group in Outlook. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable group you can email all at once, perfect for teams, classes, clients, or any list you use regularly. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft.com. From the homepage, look for All Microsoft. This menu is a quick way to see every app and service available to you. Select Outlook to launch the web version of your mailbox. Next, click Sign In and log in with the account you use for Outlook. Once you're in, head to the People area. People is your contact hub in Outlook. It's where you manage individual contacts and any lists or groups you rely on for communication. Inside People, choose Go to Groups. This takes you to the place where groups live. Groups let you keep related contacts together so you can message everyone in one go, saving you time and avoiding missed recipients. Now click New Group to start building your group. You'll be asked to add a group name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you and your teammates instantly know what it's for. You might include a department, project, or purpose in the name to make it easy to identify later. Then add a description. This brief note helps provide context. Think of it as the group's about line, so anyone who sees it understands why it exists and when to use it. When you're happy with the name and description, click Create. Outlook will set up the group for you. Now it's time to add the people who belong in it. Search for the contacts you want to add by name or by email address. As you find them, select them to include them in the group. Add as many as you need. Depending on your organization's settings, you can typically include people from your company directory and, when allowed, external addresses as well. When your selection looks good, click Add to confirm. That's it, your contact group is ready. From now on, sending a message to this entire group takes just a couple of clicks, and it helps keep your communications consistent and organized. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Outlook updates its layout from time to time. Just remember the flow: Microsoft.com or Microsoft Outlook, sign in people, go to groups, new group, name and description, create, add your contacts, and click add. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.